Hey y'all, Way Up North Survival. So here we are. We were blessed a week ago with a wonderful blizzard. Dropped 54 inches of snow on us with snow drifts. Luckily we were able to get out with the snowmobile, get a few supplies. But today, this may be day one, we'll see. We're going to adventure out and see how things go. Put some sticks in the car, I'll show you. Cut those down if we need to. Got some shovels, tied some ropes on. Don't have chains for this 4Runner yet, but got shovels, got everything we could possibly need. The hubs is gonna follow with the snowmobile. See how we do, but this is where we're at, and I'm gonna attempt it. I'm gonna attempt making her out, see how it goes. May have to dig out a few times, but can always stick some sticks in there, help give us a little bit more traction. Let you know how things go for adventure day one. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for the likes, the comments, the subscriptions, the questions, the advice. Y'all are great. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.